Good afternoon, this is Pat Bouley. I'm doing my presentation on my hamhock dissection. I have the hamhock here, as you can see, stained for the callus here. For the tissue, we're going to do the deep cuts, the crisscross cuts on, and then the necrotic tissue right in through here. I already did the measurements on the hamhock, and I'll go through those. But here's a picture of the baggy tracing. This is connective tissue, which the slash is there. The M stands for muscle. The B is the bone, and the N is necrotic tissue. When I did the measurements with the baggie, the longest point to there was 3.5, and the width from there to there was 3.0. Now when I went to the direct wound on the hamhock, it was 3.7, and in the width was 2.8 across the widest point. So we have a discrepancy. The baggie is 3.5 times 3 centimeters, which gave me 10.5 square centimeters. The direct wound was 3.7 times 2.8, which gave me 10.36 centimeters. As you stated in your instructional video, we would make sure that whatever way we measure it, that's the way we're consistently going to measure it. The bag technique I don't like as much, only because it just seems like it might be a hassle, but at least you're not getting the measuring tool close to necrotic tissue and could contaminate the area. So it does have its advantages. So we're going to go right into the callus dissection. I got a little crazy with my red dye and my blue dye. I wasn't sure how well it was going to soak up. This was a semi-frozen hamhock that was thawed out, so it's going to be a little more difficult to do the cutting on it. It's a little bit stiffer, I think, than what the tissue would normally be. I got my scalpel, my number 10 scalpel, between my third and fourth finger. I have my forearm supported on the table, and I have the serrated edge. I have it angled up a little bit to start the cut. And I start the cut, and then I do a little crisscross motion there. That was too deep. So we'll try that again. That was a little bit better. Little fleck. Tiny fleck on there. I'll try to get a bigger piece so I can see if there's any kind of transparency for it. There's another little fleck in through there. One more here. There we go. A little clear fleck there.